everyone, welcome back to another video. This is day 20 of our UK coronavirus lockdown and this is video number 20. So if you are a regular to my channel, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I hope everyone has been keeping fine and we're getting through all this. I have heard that it is going to be extended, so we just have to see what way things are going to go, and hopefully, you know, in a week or two they'll start to relax everything. So I'm just showing you the colours that I'm using today. I did show petal candy and I ended up not using it. So and also instead of not doing my clear base, I did a base of pink opal. So I'm going in with Plush cover first, and I'm going to extend the nail bed. And because this is the core powder, I'm going to build up the apex also with this. I'm just looking at my own thumbnail here while I'm holding my dolly hand. I really need to do an infill on my nails. I was supposed to do them on Friday, but things just get in the way, so I hope to be getting them done at one stage this week. Come Friday, they were on for 3 weeks, so yeah, they really need done. So I will go ahead and I'll put the colours on the rest of the nails while I'm waiting on this curing, and then I'll come back and file it. So the next colour I'm using is Dazzling Purple, and it's a glitter from Glitterbels. As usual, most of the products I use are Glitterbels. This purple, again, it's one of the ones that you need to work with. So when you place it on the nail, you sort of have to swirl your brush a bit just to get the colour consistent. So I'm putting this over most of the nail, and then I'm going to go in with Efi, one of the pre-mixed ambassador glitters. So you can see me swirling the product around just to get it consistent with the product I'd laid down previous. I think this glitter, you could actually use it as a really sheer glitter, you know, through a glass nail, because it's kind of like that jelly, acrylic and jelly gel that you get that you can put on the nails. So this is the Efi pre-mixed glitter. I'm nearly sure this is named after one of the ambassadors. And you've got all colours in here. You've got your purples, your pinks, your golds. You've got small bits of glitter. You've got large bits of glitter. It has everything going. So onto the middle finger, and this is going to be a marbled nail. And I'm getting in with Royal Blue and the Dazzling Purple. And the reason I'm using blue is you will see when we come to the next nail, when we use Arabian Nights. So I'm using the Dazzling Purple, the Royal Blue and Snowdrops White for this marble. And onto the pointer finger, I'm going in with the royal blue. As you can see, it's another one that naturally marbles, so I need to swirl my brush just to have that colour consistent. So I am going to cut out with this colour in a diagonal line, just so that I can add the Arabian Nights at the bottom. I haven't worried too much about trying to build up, you know, a wall to put the colour up against. I think that, you know, with it being a glitter, I should be able to just get it right up to that line, and hopefully it won't go over it. So you can see that I have a little dent up at the cuticle area where my long nails keep denting things, but I can go over that again with another touch of blue. And this is Arabian Nights. I absolutely love this. This was one of the first glitters that I purchased from Glitterbels, and I don't get to use it often enough, which is another reason why I thought I would use it today, because it's just absolutely stunning. You've got your purples, you've got your blues, turquoise, golds, you've everything in it. But I think that it really does go well with the blue. When I've done it previous, I've just done it with purple, but seeing it with the blue, I think it's stunning. I'm just going to add in a little bit more of the Snowdrops White to the marbled nail, just because there is a big bit of white at the top. I just want to make it consistent. And then I'll also go over with some Opal Crush just to add some glitter. Now that I've sharpened up my smile line, I'm going to go ahead and start to add the colour. So I'm going in with the royal blue and I'm budding that right up to the smile line, and I want it to actually reach the very, very top of the wall that I've made with the acrylic. And then I'm just going to bring it down the nail very, very slightly. I want this to be sort of like a graduation of the darker colours into the light. Now I'm blending in some of the Dazzling Purple, and you can see they blend together really, really well. And this is the start of us going into the lighter colours now. So I'm going to go in now with some of the Arabian Nights. Oh, it's absolutely stunning, look at that. You can see all the colours there in the pot. You can see the blues and the greens and the purples, pinks, you've got everything. So I'm just going to spread that down the nail a little, and then I'm going to end the nail with Efi. So I'm going to go ahead and cap all the nails with glass slippers. I'm only going to show one nail being capped though. I just want to keep the length of the video down for you guys. I can see the more that I'm working on this nail and I'm pulling the acrylic down to the free edge, that the tip is actually coming out further and further and further. But I did actually put the right size tips in today. I made sure that I did it, so I have no idea why that's happening. Now that that's all cured, I'm going ahead and I'm doing my normal filing routine, which is start at the side walls, free edge, cuticle and apex. So now we're on to top coat time, and I love it, especially if I'm using glitter over glass tips. It's amazing. Everything just starts to come to life, and oh, so nice. And here's the finished set. I hope you've liked the video. I thought it was nice to use the different colours, a bit more pop of a colour this time. So if you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can hit that subscribe button now. And if you hit the notification bell, you won't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you all in the next one. Take care. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.